Hey everyone, thanks for watching your Monday night flipped video for math. Today you're going to practice on the GregTangMath.com website. Greg Tang is an awesome math author. We read one of his books today in class, so you should remember it. What you're going to do is you're going to go to GregTangMath.com and you'll see this page right here. You're going to click on resources. Because we are reading the Best of Times books, you'll look right here into the book area and you'll click on the Best of Times. The Best of Times, yep. Alright, so we did Absolute Zero and One Way today. So what you're going to do is you are going to read the two-step poem. And then you're going to answer these questions right here. So you're going to read this poem at home. Maybe you want to write it down, decorate it, whatever you want to do. You're going to read that poem and do the sample problems right here. And it should give you more than one. Nope, it just gives you the one. Alright, so then you go to the next poem, and the next day we're going to do 4 eyes. So you're going to read this poem and answer that question, being able to show how you solved both of these with a multiplication strategy. Alright, so what you need to bring in for homework to show that you have done this, you just need to bring in these two problems. What is 2 times 4? And you need to solve it. And then you also need to bring in what is 4 times 4, and you need to solve it. So you can do that on a half sheet of paper, a whole sheet of paper, an index card, whatever, a sticky note, whatever you have at home. You can write down the answer for these two problems after you read the poems, the poem 4 Eyes and the poem 2-Step. Alright, so comment below if you watched the video, and I hope you have a great day.